chers confrères, les technologies numériques réinventent notre société en investissant progressivement tous les domaines de notre vie quotidienne. Elles révolutionnent nos manières de produire et d'interagir avec notre environnement. Le domaine médical en général et l'orthodontie en particulier sont pleinement concernés par ces transformations. Je suis très honorée et fière d'animer le cours pré-congrès des prochaines journées de l'orthodontie dont le thème est le numérique au service de la clinique orthodontique. Les prochaines journées de l'orthodontie se dérouleront du jeudi 7 au dimanche 10 novembre 2019. Aujourd'hui, une bonne partie des orthodontistes sont déjà équipés en scanner intraoral. Cependant, peu d'orthodontistes exploitent pleinement ces données numériques. La plupart des cabinets se limitent au stockage des données, ce qui est un bon début. Cela permet évidemment un gain de place par l'élimination du stockage des modèles physiques, mais on peut faire beaucoup mieux. Lors de ce cours, je vais passer en revue tout ce que la technologie numérique peut nous apporter dans notre exercice quotidien. Premièrement, dans l'analyse de nos cas, l'établissement du diagnostic et du plan de traitement. Deuxièmement, dans la gestion des traitements, une grande partie de ce cours sera consacrée au collage indirect numérique. Et troisièmement, dans la gestion des contentieux. Je vous donne donc rendez-vous le 7 novembre après-midi et le 8 novembre matin. Je vous attends nombreux. À très vite.
Skeletal open bite in difficult and surgical cases. Is the treatment possible without orthodontic surgery? The answer is yes, though it could seem to be very difficult and almost impossible right now. It is a real possibility. The knowledge from Edgewise multi-loop arch wire technique from Japan and multifunction system from Spain were put together, which resulted some protocols adapted to straight wire. As a result, the best of each technique put together can be used with great clinical facility and surprising results.
O raio de Ansan sou eu, e o vento de Ansan.
For instance, a skeletal open bite surgical can be closed in just 1 month. And cases that are normally treated within 3 years can now take only a year. Dr. Daniel developed these protocols and strategies having in mind the social reality of most of the population of Brazil that cannot afford the cost of an orthodontic surgery. The course presenting these revolutionary techniques has 2 great challenges. First, diagnostic. Is it possible to anticipate the degree of difficulty involving children, which are very easy to treat and which, when turning into adults, 1. will develop a deep bite, 2. will continue to have an open bite, 3. are skeletal surgical cases, 2nd, how to treat adults with skeletal and surgical open bites without orthodontic surgery.
Mes amis, it will be a pleasure for me to meet you in November at the post-congress course that will be held on Sunday the 10th during the orthodontic days, organized from Thursday to Sunday at the Le Palais des Congrès in Paris. The topic of my presentation will be how to increase control, efficiency and effectiveness using a straight wire technique. Why this topic? Because a straight wire technique is considered valid if it permits to treat the different kinds of malocclusion diagnosed in adolescent or in adult patients with a different degree of difficulty in a predictable, effective and simple way. Basing on this statement, the aim of the presentation is to provide indications for a high-performing use of a straight-wire passive set ligation multi-torque system. I will address the topic presenting integrated straight-wire workflow developed using Damon system and showing clinical cases through all treatment phases setup by setup. In this way, I would like to highlight the advantages of an integrated straight wire approach in order to avoid anomalous movements and in order to increase the efficiency and effectiveness to obtain dental movements already from the first treatment phases towards the final planned position. And now I wish to see you all in November in Paris. Have a good day. Bye. Au revoir.